You can get $100 Airtable credit for free and automate your workflow. If you want to build automation, manage data, or streamline your work, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get $100 Airtable credit using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I created one account and airtable.com. Here you can see, just refresh. Let me show you after refresh this page. This is not a inspect element or anything. So after refresh this page, click on this profile icon and visit account section, and here you can see you have a credit $20. So if you want to add few more credit, just click on this refer and credit, then click on this referral link. Just click on this link and go to your new Chrome profile, paste here. Just you need to copy this link and open in another Chrome profile or guest mode or incognito mode. Then click here your email address, full name, password. Successfully we had logged in our account, so you can save this also or ignore this. Simply no thanks, we don't need this account at the moment. Now we need to confirm our account also to get $10 credit in Airtable account. So here you can see email verification is done. Now go to main account to show you overview. Here you can see you have $30. So by this way you can get $100 credit in a Airtable and automate your workflow. If you are interested in this type of content, then please visit my YouTube channel homepage. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.